ia ka Tamasa jong ki khana NSS ki bana ka thain syate lam ingi bala penlong hajentia Eastern College Khliehriat kebal sedang nadu ka arpu khanai tarik uyayong arjar posau lapen kutno akalai tarik akar Rukom ke Beit Iaid bah barha ka negasngi sekretari jong kata pulih putih jong kejala u Ambrus Marak IAS ulalong kumu kongsan ku mencupan kan mau ka State NSS Cell Meghalaya baga jentia Eastern College Khliehriat harengkat ka jia trilang baga Regional Directorate of NSS Guwahati lema ka Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports jong ka Sarkar India kala penlong ketika Tamasa North East Festival Arjara Posau ha kabalawan ban pli da Chief Secretary jong ka jela Meghalaya ba DP Alang IAS kumu kongsan mena ka arep panai tarik uyayong Arjara Posau.
NSS Club goes to
NSS Club goes to
Hey.
We are from Tripura and we study in Barpatiri class 12 school and
Class
I'm
12
studying Arya Kalani High Secondary School. So this festival मतलब मैं हिंदी में ही बोलना चाहूँगा ये NSS फेस्टिवल हम पहली बार आए हैं यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं और ये जो 5 दिन या 7 दिन का जो भी कैंप रहा है बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है और हम लोग दिल से बहुत कुछ प्यार इस कॉलेज से इस मेघालय से लेके जा रहे हैं और बहुत सारा नॉलेज बहुत कुछ माने ये एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते हम मतलब बहुत अच्छा लगा हमारे को इधर आके ऑसम जगह
Part of Northeast India, be it Arunachal, be it Sikkim, be it Manipur, be it Nagaland, Tripura, Assam. And I have come to know that people of Northeast, they speak less, they talk less, and they express their happiness, their heart, our pride, our identity through music, song, and dance. And that is what you have experienced here in the 6 days of your stay here in this Eastern Jec Khliehriat College. I am happy that to learn that all of you have enjoyed your stay here. I am very thankful on behalf of the state government for arranging this wonderful, for hosting this wonderful event by the principal of this Eastern College. Your principal is really a dynamic. I'm not as dynamic as him. And he is also, like I said, he is also a rock star, but I'm not a rock star. He is also a orator, but I'm not like him, the orator. And he can also be a very good politician when he retires from his service. So let us wish him that he become a very good politician and to bring about and development to this entire region. I wish you that. Thank you very much.
When you go back home, just remember Jec Eastern College in your prayers. Clear? Why I want to enjoy? Very soon I'm going to be retired. Clear? Because if I don't enjoy now, my student, maybe they will invite me to enjoy with them. I just take this advantage. Clear? I just take this advantage. And also, my promise to you that before you reach home by Monday, your TADA will reach. Mawphor, okay? It won't take time. Clear? That is my promise.
Northeast NSS Festival is holding in the Jec Eastern College. The Government of India Ministry of Education, Sport, NSS Regional Office Guwahati has provided the fund to organize this Northeast NSS Festival to focus and highlight this natural beauty of the Meghalaya in eastern part of Meghalaya in India. Because the Meghalaya is like the Scotland of India, so our Government of India providing specially for the Northeast this NSS scheme for Northeast NSS Festival to organize here. Because of the Northeast people does not know from there is other location, and because the hilly and valley place there are so many. So students are coming from Sikkim, Mizoram, Tripura, Assam, and Meghalaya and other part of the states. So all are joining here from the 5 days program, this Northeast NSS Festival, and they are sharing each other views and sharing, exchanging their culture. This is a platform to teach, learn and among each other, because NSS volunteer, they are all are students from class 2 level to the university level. And their students are the main our key person of the citizen of India, because today they are student, tomorrow they became a citizen of India. So they will do the service for the people, because NSS, you know, it is an educational experiment in community service. So the students are how to we integrate to them by through this platform. So in Assam, in Northeast, totally in the Northeast, here is 2 lakh students of NSS. So 300 students are joining here, and program officer from each state to 1 million female joining here and took part. They are well satisfied here to visit this nature of beauty of this area. So we are also from regional office very thanks to all the host of this faculty member and principal and state NSS officer of the Meghalaya government to provide these opportunities. And students, those are participate here, they are also very happy to visit this program and this state in this part of the eastern of Meghalaya place. Students are from the 5 days program. They are daytime, they are seminar and on the topics of the various event and resource person from different sources. They are taking part here. And at night time they are organizing cultural program from 7 to 9, and they are exchanging their culture from each other. Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Assam, Arunachal and Sikkim, they are exchanging each other, and this colorful program is showcasing in this Northeast area, and peoples of the locality area also very satisfied, encouraged, and they are this cultural showcase they are very enjoy here. And the college authority of this college, Jec Eastern College, to provide this opportunity to organize this program. We are very happy from Ministry of Education for Government of India regional office to conduct this program.